Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and today I'm gonna be teaching. Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and today I will be teaching you how to earn money with TikTok affiliates program. So first of all, if you look here in TikTok, you'll see lots of different content, and that's what you can do to earn money. You can make lots of different content, and make sure that Make sure that the contents that you make are interesting, entertaining, and connected to whatever affiliate you want to work with. Because affiliates are like people that you work with or company that will give you money or commission in exchange for promoting their brands or products. So when you go here, when you upload on TikTok, you can upload a video. I am using the PC and you can't really do much using PC. But on phone, you can record and upload. That's the thing. You also have effects that you can use. So, as you can see here, you can like put on your caption, hashtag what your random affiliate is, hashtag your promotional, if it's a promotional video, and hashtag you can put the brand. And it's very simple, as long as you get the affiliate partner that you need. And then if you go to your profile, if you upgrade your account, your normal content creator account, into a business account, your bio, your profile will allow you to put some links, affiliate links, into your profile account, your account settings, into your profile, and you can tell your viewers to check out these links, and out from them, check out the affiliate links, and out from this you can also get commissions. So basically in TikTok, all you need to do is create a strong following, make sure that your content is entertaining, and you can make partnerships out of different affiliates, and that is how you earn money in TikTok. It's gonna take a while, it's not an easy process, but just take your time and you will get to it. Thank you for watching. This was Generation Unravel saying bye bye.